Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in the today's session, I'm going to discuss about what is Salesforce, what exactly Salesforce developers do, who can learn Salesforce developer course, and what is the duration to complete a Salesforce developer course, and what is the average salary for Salesforce administrator and Salesforce developer. We will discuss all these queries in this session, so watch it till the end of video. Don't skip this video to understand better way. Before discussing all these queries, if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also don't forget to share to your friends as well, because I used to upload great content videos every day. And also don't forget, if you really like these videos, to hit the like button. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. What is Salesforce and why Salesforce software is most demanded in software industry nowadays? First, let me explain what is Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM tool or CRM platform. Here again you may have doubt what is CRM. CRM means customer relationship management. Again, you are asking what is CRM? Can you tell me in the layman words? So CRM means, I already told you, it is a customer relationship management. It is a software. It is used to store the contact information of customers like name, address, phone numbers, emails. So it is one of the most popular CRM tool available in the IT market nowadays. So we can boost our business process with the help of Salesforce CRM tool. We can also manage and maintain effective customer relations. This Salesforce CRM tool helps to any company or business to marketing, sales, commerce and customer support services and IT teamwork. All this process happens in a single place, that is nothing but in the cloud environment. You don't need to maintain any hard drive. So you may have another query. So what is the future scope? What is the scope of this Salesforce developer or admin courses? See friends, there is a huge demand for this Salesforce admin and developers in software industry. Not only in India, across the world, it is one of the most demand CRM tool. Salesforce is the most demand CRM tool. Now we will discuss another query, that is what exactly Salesforce software CRM tool does. The Salesforce software is one place. From that place only you can manage your stuff easily, because it stores all our customer data in the cloud environment. So you can access data from anywhere or anytime, whether you are on desktop or mobile, no matter. The only thing is required, you should have good internet connectivity and good knowledge on Salesforce. That's enough. You can easily maintain your business or company data, and you can improve your business process also with the help of Salesforce software tool. Then what type of activities happens in this Salesforce? I will tell you three main activities to improve your business process. First thing is marketing team. Marketing team wants to push the leads from the events or campaigns to the salespeople. That means this marketing team is a platform to attract the new potential customers. Then salespeople wants a software to track all the deals, and all those deals, they should be closed. And the next activity, that is nothing but supporting. So here supporting means you have to maintain customer relationship through ongoing support. So these three activities happen to improve your business. Marketing, it might be digital marketing. Okay, and the second one is sales. So you have to sell your product over the internet. Okay, and third one is supporting. You have to maintain, so you have to maintain customer relationship through ongoing supporting. So mainly Salesforce CRM tool involves in marketing, sales and customer supporting. I will tell you one real-time small example, then you can easily understand what exactly Salesforce CRM tool do to improve their business, to improve any company or any business, and to get more benefit or more revenue to any company. Suppose suppose if you purchase any product through online, suppose you purchase any product from Amazon or Flipkart e-commerce website. So once you purchase a particular product, they definitely store all your information in the cloud environment, like your name and your address and your mobile number and your email ID. So after purchasing any particular product, and again the company keep maintain some customer relationship. If that particular product or relevant products getting any discount in particular duration, then they immediately share those details through email or messages. Suppose if the candidate is very interested to purchase those relevant products, then automatically their business also will increase. Automatically they will increase their profit. I hope you got it. What exactly Salesforce software is does. Now we will discuss another query. Who can learn this Salesforce course? So my answer is anyone can learn this Salesforce course. Especially women can learn this Salesforce course, so who have gap between 3 to 5 years gap as people also after their marriage or after having kids. So those women can restart their IT career after learning this Salesforce course. Okay, you can start your career as a Salesforce admin, and then you can improve your skills by learning Salesforce developer content, and then you can become Salesforce developer also. Qualification is doesn't matter. You might be a BCom, or you might be a BBA or BCA or MCA or MTech, BTech. Any qualification is eligible to do Salesforce course. Even if you have career gap or employment gap, if you are already working in some other domain, and if you want to switch to this Salesforce CRM domain, then this is the best option, and there are huge job opportunities also there in IT market, especially especially Salesforce admin and Salesforce developer positions. I hope you cleared your doubt. Who can learn this Salesforce course? And the next query is, what is the duration to complete this Salesforce admin and Salesforce developer course? Now let's talk about initially Salesforce admin. To complete Salesforce admin course, it takes around 20 to 30 days. It depends on the trainer. It may take some time 30 to 45 days also. So if you are a quick learner, if you are already having some experience to understand the sales and business process, then you can easily complete Salesforce admin course even 20 to 30 days only. So after completion of the Salesforce admin course, you have to complete your certification also, Salesforce administration certification. You have to complete that certification as well. I will separately upload what are the main skills is required and what are the responsibilities of Salesforce administrator in the next videos, in the coming videos. Suppose if you want to learn Salesforce developer course, then it takes time, guys. It might take around 4 to 5 months to complete Salesforce developer course. Okay, because you have to learn a lot of things. Even you have to learn some object oriented programming language like Apex, LWC, Lightning components as well. Okay, suppose if you are working in some other domain, you are already having some experience on programming knowledge, then it will take you around 3 to 4 months only, because you are already having some experience on object oriented programming concepts, and this you can easily understand the business, and you can easily understand the business requirements also. So therefore you can easily learn within 3 to 4 months only to complete a Salesforce developer course. And after completion of Salesforce developer course, try to complete certification as well, Salesforce developer certification as well. Then your profile will be more weightage compared to other candidates. Okay, now we will discuss another query. Now we will discuss another query. What is the average salary for Salesforce admin and Salesforce developer? As a Salesforce developer, it depends on the company, friends. Again, suppose if you have 4 years or 5 years experience in Salesforce developing position, then you will get around 14 to 15 lakhs package. Not every company, you may get more than 15 lakhs also, depends on your entry performance, depends on your skills. Okay, and also depends on the company as well. Okay, suppose if you are working as a Salesforce administrator, then for administrator you can expect a less package only. Like suppose if you have 3 years of experience, then you can expect 9 lakhs or 8 lakhs only. Suppose if you have work experience on both, like you have 2 years experience in Salesforce administration and 2 years experience in Salesforce developer, then you can expect up to 16 lakhs or 17 lakhs package as well for 4 years of experience candidate. Suppose if you are 7 years of experience candidate in Salesforce admin, then you can expect up to 25 lakhs as well. I will upload in the upcoming videos what are the exactly responsibilities of a Salesforce administrator, and what are the skills required to become a Salesforce administrator. Okay, so we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Okay, so that's all guys my end. So if you feel this video is really helpful, then don't forget to forward to your friends as well. And also if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and we will meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.